And now for my last question, I'd like to ask this one from Mike. With the demand for more intelligent solutions during the COVID-19 pandemic, can you tell us a little bit more about what Valmet has done to support board and packaging mills with the state-of-the-art technology they need during these unprecedented times?
Yes, thank you, Andre. Fortunately, Valmet was already well developed in respect to the automation prior to the pandemic. Once that pandemic hit over a year ago now, that really changed the way we can operate. We had limited ability to bring some of our key technical resources overseas to support us in our commissioning and startup activities. And that really required us to use a lot of our local resources in conjunction with some remote support and connectivity with our global resources overseas. And we really focused on our augmented reality capabilities using glasses that the people in the field wore, safety-approved glasses that allowed them to real-time communicate and visually allow those people overseas to see what was going on. And that was really a key item that we had in a positive way, contributing to our success in commissioning the startups. We were actually able to start up one tissue machine with no resources on site. And we did several other large rebuilds and one other new machine with very limited resource capabilities in person on site. But the augmented reality and the advanced automation control systems that Valmet has on this equipment was really a big factor in both safely and expeditiously starting up this equipment during very difficult times caused by the pandemic.